Okay, homeowners, thank you very much for watching. So as you can see, this floor is a pre-oiled, engineered floor. It's worn in places, as you can see, hence why the customer wanted it to be restored. So we chatted about the finish, and what they wanted was something which was maintenance free. So we agreed to put a white stain down after it was all sanded off, and we were putting a Classic Plus lacquer. That was going to be the top two coats after the primer, and that's what we agreed. So it was the Flexi Sand's job to get this old coating off the floor. I opted for a Flexi Sand rather than the belt sander because I felt that it was more suitable for this particular job. Also, it was herringbone, so I wanted to make sure it was as even as possible. But yeah, the Flexi Sand took care of this really well, actually. As you can see, it was coming off very well. Sanded along the room and then across the room to keep it all nice and blended in. So there wasn't much natural light in this particular room. It was a lounge, but it had an extension on the back which took a lot of that natural light. So we're working under obviously artificial light for most of the time, which was fine. So as you can see, I'm now edging using the Palm & Gecko, and it's connected to the dust extraction unit as always. So stain was down and the lacquer was on, so I was nearly finished, wasn't I? But oh no, what have I found? I've only put a bucket down. Now I knew I'd done this, but I actually put the bucket down and I sanded it back thinking it was okay, but it didn't become apparent until I lifted it at the end. So I tried to patch it up and made a bit of a dog's dinner. So there was no other choice than to start sanding it off again. So I came back on the weekend to take all of the old coating off, and I was like literally ready to top coat. So I've took all of the old coating off, and as you can see, I'm working my way back through the papers on the Flexi Sand. Feeling pretty ropey now because it's been a long week anyway, and yet I'm back. So anyway, it's the right thing to do. So here's the stain going back down, buffing it on with the Flexi Sand, and then coating it back up again. So it looked great, to be honest. It looked really good, and yeah, obviously the customer wanted it to be white, and that's what they got. So here we go, just touching it up with the lacquer. So again, I'm using the Boratec range, Classic Plus, which just gives it that maintenance-free finish, which was so important to the customer. And what did it look like? So I was very happy with this. As you can see, it's got a beautiful sheen to it. It's back to being fully restored. This is just before the top coat went down. So in the next slide, you'll see what it did look like and what it looks like now. So I think the white stain was a really good choice from the customer. And here you go, sheen in full visibility. And this is what it looked like before. So yeah, over the moon with the job. It took some getting there, and you know, it's a real video, guys. So we do come across problems, but it's how you fix them.